Okay, it is a beautiful Thursday morning here in Utah. Okay, feeling rather blessed and enjoying the weather. Okay, and I just want to pay tribute to those in Florida and surrounding states that are going through a lot of agony and a lot of chaos right now due to the hurricane and the 100 other hurricanes that are going on all over the East Coast down there. Okay, so just wanted to kind of pay tribute to that. And today is October 10th of 2024. So if you're watching a replay or if this video is years and years old, there's just a lot of chaos and craziness going on in Florida. And I just wanted to kind of pay tribute. And I'm thinking about you guys. Okay. I'm sending my best. Okay. I live here in Salt Lake City, right below the gorgeous mountain of Mount Olympus. Okay. And what I like to do is just get up, have my shower, shampoo, shine a little bit, have me some tea, maybe some coffee, have a nice little breakfast to get me going. And when it's a Thursday, what I do, since I'm Mountain Standard Time, by 10 o'clock, I'm ready to watch the LiveGood Cutoff Zoom meeting. Okay, and what that means is every Thursday, that's the cutoff to when people sign up, we calculate what has been made, what signups have been performed, and how much money you're going to make. So when you join LiveGood every Thursday, in the morning or afternoon, just go to the My Earnings tab. And guess what? You can see how much you've made the previous week. Okay, so a week ago, whatever activity I did and my downline did, that's where I get paid. And it's exciting because I don't really know how much it's going to be. I can just only guess. And I always do that before I hit refresh. I'll go to the LiveGood website and I know I'm going to get paid. And I've got hair problems because I just got out of the shower. Usually I have a hat on. But if I just go like this, that's the secret to getting signups. Just keep playing with your bald, massive, giant forehead. Okay, so what I do, I like to go to My Earnings and just click refresh and try to guess, make kind of a contest out of it and see how much I'm going to get paid. And when you do see the amount, it usually funds later that afternoon. I live in America and I just configured my LiveGood account to my bank. So maybe my results, okay, will be a little faster by clicking, seeing how much I make. Then I log into my bank account and see, okay, did it fund? It's funded every single Thursday since I joined LiveGood, clear back March of 2023. I've been in about a year and a half, okay? And not a day goes by that I question the integrity and just the power of LiveGood. The financial well-being, we pay cash for everything. Even Ben LiveGood, Ben, the CEO of LiveGood, he just says, look, we own our inventory, cash, okay? And we're setting up distribution centers all over the world. 200 plus countries, $15 million a month is being bought and sold just on products. 1.5 million people worldwide are now members or affiliates. If you're a member, it's only $9.95 a month, and you can buy all our products for wholesale. Pretty cool. And if you're an affiliate for $40, just one-time $40 fee, you can do what I do and just make videos, email, hand out business cards if you'd like. That's all I do. And I invite people to the Thursday meeting, which is this afternoon, noon Eastern, Thursday. It's a brand new time. A lot of people in LiveGood, they don't realize it. They go to log in Thursday night, 8 o'clock Eastern. And after kind of going over some stuff and doing some studies, right now our company said, it's best just to do all of our meetings at noon Eastern. Okay, everybody, when is it? What time is it? What is it? This? Is it that? Nope, it's noon Eastern. Let's just keep everything at noon Eastern, even on Thursday. And 99% of everyone in LiveGood, they watch the replay. Okay, just like Hulu and all the great apps. Okay, you really don't have to watch TV live unless you really want to watch sports or some other things. But what's nice is you got YouTube. If you go to my YouTube channel, I record everything. I'll always have every single meeting that LiveGood performs available, especially to my downline and to you too, if you're interested in signing up, okay? I think you'll probably need a little bit of help if you sign up in LiveGood. Okay, I've learned a lot over the last year and a half, especially about recruiting, how to keep things fun, easy. For example, just get some business cards made like at Vistaprint. Okay, I bought joincory.com for $11 at GoDaddy. I forwarded it to the LiveGood capture page because for $49.95, $40 for the being an affiliate and $9.95 a month, okay, guys, you're going to have your own website and capture page. So why don't I just show you real quick? Okay. This is the product that brought me into the company. Okay. I hope you look at Super Reds. It is super badass. Okay. And here's all the products. Just go to the products tab of livegood.com, scroll, hit all the white rectangle boxes. You guys can see wholesale, retail, all the seals of approval, how to use it, and our competition's price. But go through all this. Then I also want you to go to the FAQ. Okay. There's a ton of questions, and all you got to do is click the links here. Boom, 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 and they're answered. Then go to the bottom of your cell or your computer screen. See where it says pay plan? On a bigger screen, it'll say affiliate pay plan. Click it, and guess what? This is how we get paid. And it's all on the membership side. You don't have to buy products ever to earn commissions with us. We're a membership-based company, just like Costco, Netflix, Country Club, and of course, the mighty Amazon, like Amazon Prime. Okay? Here's the 7 ways. And you guys just go ahead and soak it in. Read the screen. Okay? Not right now, but just livegood.com, go to the affiliate pay plan section. But I tell everyone, please go to the bottom of the pay plan tab. There is this kick butt YouTube video made by our company. Watch it 2, 3, 4, 10 times. Then you'll know exactly why it's exciting to be in LiveGood. Okay. And it's all based upon memberships. Okay. Isn't it nice to know you don't have to come up with hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of product each month that's overinflated? So the owner of that MLM company gets billions, and then your upline gets millions, and it trickles down to you where you might only make 100 here, 100 there. 9 out of 10 people, they only break even or lose money. Okay? With LiveGood, we're going to break that. We're going to break that. That ain't going to happen. Not if you're in my downline. I want every single person to pay $9.95 a month. And I would like you personally, I can't guarantee it, but I want to get you about $100 a month and then more. Wouldn't it be nice to make $100 a month by only spending $9.95? You can buy $50 of products if you want with LiveGood, or just save it, pay your cell phone, pay your water bill, lunch money. Okay? Maybe buy some new clothes like this fancy $5 tank top I just bought. Okay? Lot of cool things you can buy with money. Okay? But it all starts with joining. Okay? And you need some information about LiveGood before you do that. I want you to please go to joincory.com. Watch the video. Okay? And I'm going to show you where it's at, just in case you need a little help. Okay? If you look at the top of my browser, joincory.com. Okay. Say hi to this gentleman. Say hi to this couple running on the beach. Put in your name and your email address and hit reserve my position. You're going to get more information about LiveGood, and you'll get 1 email per day, and you can opt out anytime. Or if you would like to join LiveGood, after you hit reserve my position, just go to the LiveGood email, click it, open it, and you can join from there. Super easy. But I want you to watch this little YouTube video first. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It is our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Okay? And this is called a capture page. And this is what you get for $49.95. You get your own capture page. You get your own website. Okay? You get a massive amount of support. You get live webinars almost every day. See right here on the thing where it says webinars? Click it. And like I said, there's one at noon Eastern this morning or this afternoon. And see Monday, you just click the link there and you can see Dr. Ryan and Lisa talk about products. Wednesday, Nodder, our VP of Marketing, Field Development, he does a good 30 to 40 minute kind of recruiter meeting. And then Thursday at noon, this is the meeting that's coming up in just a few minutes here. Just watch it. It's about 1 hour. Shows all 4 of our owners and founders talk about the experience, the products, and how you can earn money. And then Friday, tomorrow, this is my favorite. This is where we talk about all the volume of products sold, what new products are coming out, how many people have signed people up and achieved gold, silver, platinum, diamond status. It's very exciting. So anyway, I will wrap this up. I'm going to get ready for the meeting. And the links to all the meetings are below my video. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. And on every video, when you scroll below, I have all the links to every meeting that I just discussed. And most important, the link, joincory.com, because I want you to come aboard, especially if you watch the video up to this 9-minute, almost 10-minute mark. So thanks for your time. Okay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get a hold of me if you need to. I'm easy to get a hold of. I've had the same email address almost 40 years. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Inbox me on Facebook. Okay. And let's get you in. But thanks for the 10 minutes that you just gave me. Okay. All right. Peace and love. I'll talk to you guys next video. Take care. Bye.